Welcome to our C# programming course. In this lesson, we'll explore the world of loops, essential tools for repeating code and automating tasks in C#. We'll cover 4 types of loops: for each, while, and do while. We encourage you to follow along, write the code, and experiment with your own examples to solidify your understanding. Loops are crucial because they allow your programs to perform repetitive tasks efficiently, saving you time and effort. Let's start with for loops, which are ideal when you know the exact number of iterations. Here's an example which will write to the console: we are on loop number, followed by the current iteration. Note that this will start from 0. The syntax may be a little confusing at first, so let's break down each part. Here, int I equals 0 initializes the loop control variable I as 0. This is our starting point, but doesn't have to be I, but often is. I less than 5 is the stop condition. The loop will continue as long as I is less than 5. I++ is shorthand for I equals I plus 1, and increments I by 1 after each iteration. Use for loops when you know the number of iterations and need precise control over the loop variable. When working with collections like arrays, lists, or dictionaries, for each loops provide a convenient way to access each element without the need for explicit indexing with square brackets. In this example, we define a list containing 4 names and use a for each loop to write each of them to the console. We are saying create a new variable called name and set it equal to the first element of names. On the second iteration of the loop, set it equal to the second element of names. Continue this until you reach the end of the list. If using this, be careful not to alter your collection whilst looping over it, or you'll get strange behaviour. Next, we have while loops, which continue execution as long as the specified condition is true. This example will continue to execute until the variable counter is 3 or larger. Finally, do while loops are similar to while loops, but guarantee that there will be at least one execution. For example, this will write "this is loop iteration" followed by the counter's value to the console until the value is 5 or larger. Thanks for joining us today. Practice using loops to simplify your code when working with collections. Stay tuned for more lessons. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for updates. Happy coding!